Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about a MS Word concept, that is MS Word 2007. And already in a grade 4 we learned about a MS Word 2000 basic concept. In this chapter we are going to learn about the insert option concept. Okay. In grade 4 we learned that what are the shortcut keys that is used to create a new document, how to open an existing document, how to save, what are the alignments we have. But in grade 5 we are going to learn how to insert a pictures, how to insert a picture from clipboard. So those concepts we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay, in this chapter we are going to learn a introduction part about the MS 2007, how to insert a picture. After inserting a picture, we want to resize a picture, resizing. We want to insert a shapes also. So those concepts also we are seeing in this chapter. And word art, date and time, symbols and special character. In introduction part, already we know that MS Word is a word processing software package. It is mainly used for typing our document and saving our documents. Okay, when we want, we can retrieve it in the form of document. To create a new document, we need to press a Control plus N. To retrieve a document, we need to create a new document, we need to press a Control plus M. To open an existing document in our Microsoft Word, we need to click a Ctrl plus O. To save a document, we need to press a Ctrl plus S. I am repeating here. To create a new document, press Ctrl plus N. To open an existing document, press Ctrl plus O. To save a document, press Ctrl plus S. Next, we are going to learn about the inserting a picture concept. In grade 4, we learned about the ribbon panel concept. Ribbon panel consists of 7 tabs. Each tab have a different groups. See here, if you want to insert a file or a picture, file is nothing but picture. Okay, we need to click a insert tab on the ribbon and we need to click the picture button from the illustration group. Same, to clip art, we need to click a clip art button from the illustration group. Now I'll show you in the Microsoft Word document. See here. Now I'm going to insert a picture. You go to the insert tab in the ribbon panel. Click a insert tab. Click a picture. Once you click a picture, you will get a n number of pictures that is available in our computer system. So based upon your interest, you can select any image and you can click a insert button to insert a picture. Next is a clip art. You just click the clip art. You will get a clip art options here. You need to, in a search box, you need to type any name that any picture's name that is you want to insert here. I just typed school here. After typing school, you need to click a go. So it will display the n number of pictures that is related to that particular word. Now I am going to insert a clip art. See here, my image is inserted. Okay. Now I want to resize my image. What we need to do is, you need to place your mouse pointer here. You need to drag your mouse. So once you drag your mouse, your image will be resized. If you feel that your image size needs to be reduced, same procedure, you can reduce your picture size. Okay. Next concept, inserting a shapes. For inserting a shape, we need to click the insert tab on the ribbon from the illustration group. Click the shapes button. Click on the desired shape from the list. See here, that also I am going to show you. To insert a shape, click a insert. There will be the shapes button. Click the shapes button. Based upon your interest, you can select any shapes and you can apply the shapes for your you can apply the color for your selected shapes. Okay, we have an n number of shapes. You can select based upon your interest. Okay. Next, we are going to learn about the word art concept. Word art is nothing bad. If you are doing any assignments, what you will do? You will decorate your assignment, right, with the stylish letters. Yes, similar to that, we can make a stylish text in our word art. To make your text more eye-catching, to insert a word art, what we need to do is click the word art button in the text group. It will be available in the text group on the insert tab. Click the word art style you want. Click OK. I'll show you the word art also here. Click the insert. In the text group, you will get a word art. So you'll get n number of word art styles. So based upon your interest, you can select anything. For example, I'm typing here computer. Okay, I'm just enlarging my text size. Okay, and now I'm going to apply the word art here. You can choose any word art. Yes, you click here also you can type it. Click OK. You just see. See here. You can apply any effects or any styles over here. Okay. Either in horizontal or in a vertical. Okay. So the steps to insert a word art is you need to click the word art button in the text group. For that you should first click the insert tab. Okay. Next we are going to learn about changing the shape of word art. So some will write in the curve shape, some will write in the circle shape, right? So based upon your interest, you can change the word art style also. Click on the change shape button on the format tab in the word art styles group. See here, we have the change shape, right? You just click here, we'll get a n number of shapes. Based upon your interest, you can apply any shapes for your selected text. See here. The shape of the text is keep on changing, right? Yes. You can apply any style for your text. This is the steps to apply the shapes for your word art. We can insert a date and time in our MS Word 2007. To insert a date and time, click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Choose the Insert Date and Time button from the text group. Choose a format from the list. Click OK. So we have a different format of date and time, right? So usually the time will start first, the date will start first. If you are taking date also, the month will be first and date will be second, right? So based upon our interest, you can change any format. I'll show you how to insert a date and time here. See here, in an Insert tab group, we have the date and time option. You just click a date and time. So these are the list of formats we have. The available formats are, it is only the date along with the day and the month and the date and month along with the year, only the date and time also we have. Yes or no? So based upon your interest, you can select any one thing, time as well as the date. You just click OK. Here the time as well as the date is applied here. Okay. So this is the steps to apply the date and time in our Microsoft window. Next we are going to learn about symbols and special character. To insert a symbols and special character, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. Choose a symbol button from the symbols group. Choose the appropriate symbol and click OK. So in order to insert a symbol, what we need to do is you just go to the Insert tab. There we'll have the symbols group. You just click a symbol. We'll get a n number of symbols here. Even we'll get a more symbols also. You just select the symbol and give insert. Here the symbol is inserted, right? So based upon your interest, you can apply any symbols here. The first icon is, this is our clip art icon. The second is a picture icon. This is shapes. This is word art, and this symbol is a symbol icon. The shortcut keys to create a new document is Ctrl+N. To open a document, it is a Ctrl+O. To save a document, press Ctrl+S. So that's all about this chapter. Now we are moving to our exercise part. I request everyone to open a page number 41. First main, write the shortcut keys for the following. To open an existing document, we need to press a Ctrl+O. We need to press a Ctrl+O. To create a new document, press Ctrl+N. To save a document, press Ctrl+S. Okay, I request everyone to copy the same in your textbook. I request everyone to take a page number 42. We are moving to the second main. Label the following icons. Just now I explained the name of the icons, right? The first name will be the clip art, and second will be the picture. Third will be the shapes icon. Fourth will be the word art. Okay. Next, we are moving to the third main. Rearrange the jumbled words to form a meaningful sentence. First one, word art makes your text more eye-catching. Second one, MS Word is a word processing software package. Next, third one, a picture can be resized in the MS Word. Date and time will be updated automatically. Okay. Copy the same thing. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Fourth main, identify the option that completes the group. So what is the second one? We need a clip art, right? So circle it B. What is second one? We need a word art. So circle it C. Okay. Fifth main, multiple choice question. The word art button is in the dash and dash group. The word art button is in the text group and the insert tab. Text and insert tab. The change word art shape button is found on the dash group and dash tab. Word styles, word art, styles group under format tab. Okay. Next, third question. If update automatically option is checked in MS Word, dash and dash will be updated automatically. That is, date and time will be updated automatically. You can insert pictures into your document through dash and dash, through file as well as the clip art. Okay. Copy the same thing in your textbook. And this question answer part I'll send through the ULO in the form of PDF, and you can refer it and you can write it. Okay. Now I'm going to end my session, children. In case any doubt, please ask me in the interactive session. Thank you. Bye. Take care.